Oakland Kids First unique contribution to the community is really planting seeds with young people in a way that positions them to on-ramp to become self-determined. And Oakland Kids First creates access for young people to come into safe spaces and receive training to develop their skills. And they're able to put the skills, the leadership development skills, the organizing skills into practice by engaging and listening to their peers, listening to the issues that most resonate them, that impact them, and to be able to take collective action. I think that, Oakland Kids First is really good at creating safe environments where young people feel seen, heard, and held. Oakland Kids First is able to meet young people where they are and present them with opportunities to become civically engaged leaders. And I think that cultivating spaces where young people can really exercise their leadership skills and connect their own unique individual experience to systems transformation and take action towards that, it's a very unique and special sauce that creates a really powerful environment. I also know that Oakland Kids First creates these familial environments where, yes, the work is hard and it's exhausting and it's draining. But what energizes folks at Oakland Kids First is having each other, right? What's exhausting is going against systems and institutions that refuse to honor the dignity of our communities, right? It's not exhausting to be in solidarity and principled struggle and to have a sense of community behind you in these big, long fights. To celebrate Oakland Kids First 30-year anniversary, I just want to say that I'm really proud of the organization. I am proud of the hundreds of young people that have been positively impacted by their participation in the organization. And I feel deeply inspired and optimistic that the hundreds of lives that Oakland Kids First has touched will ripple into adults that establish and set the path for a dignified, just, loving, and liberated world that really value youth voices, community, and who are willing to do the work to midwife a different world. So thank you all. Congratulations. I am deeply honored to have been part of the Oakland Kids First family and look forward to being in solidarity and in the struggle for the next 30 years to come.